Well, hello and good morning, everybody. Well, good morning for me. I don't know what time you guys are watching this, but today I decided to do a day in my life. I wasn't gonna film anything today, but I thought today would probably be the perfect day, just because the apartment is such a stupid amount of mess, and I thought, oh, what a perfect time to like film and show you guys a day in my life and how I get to cleaning and stuff. There's lots of stuff I need to do today. I need to put this camera down. There's lots of stuff I need to do today. I need to call a bunch of numbers. There we go. Call a bunch of numbers. I have to figure out some like money stuff that wasn't transferred over, and then I need to go pick up my check from work. I need to clean. I have a bunch of bags full of clothes that we just did laundry, so I have to fold them all. Dishes, restroom, the bedroom, like there's so many things that like I have to clean today. It's insane. And then we're gonna go pick up a Walgreens order later because I did a what's it called? I'm like really into couponing right now, and I'll show you guys a little bit of that on the phone. I mean, in the camera, but I'm like really into couponing right now, and you guys are actually sitting on one of my like favorite deals that I did. I'll show you guys. So I got this pack of 30 toilet paper from Walmart. As you can tell, it says like you pay $22.25. I didn't pay that. I didn't pay that at all because I was able to price match. Funny enough, I was able to price match. Oh, that's not the receipt. Oh no. Whatever. I'll post it up here on the camera, and the video. But someone had. I'm in this Facebook couponing group where this lady posted up a picture saying that her toilet paper in her area was this brand, the specific one, was going for $7.64. And I was like, oh man, like I wonder if I could price match at Walmart. And so I went and I asked and they gave it to me. So I didn't even pay. It was funny because it says save $7.42. And like you paid $22.25, and it's like, oh, I flipped it. I paid only $7 and I saved $22, which is insane because it says that it like compares to Charmin Ultra Strong, and it's a really big pack. When we had just moved in, we had bought in a pack at Target. Obviously we paid full price for that, and that lasted us for the entire year. So this pack will last us for another year, and I'm like, oh, I wish I could just go back and like buy at least 2 more packs, just because $7 is such a good freaking price. And I don't know if I'll find something like that again. And that's the thing about the deals, is that, you know, it could be just a one-time good deal, or you can find many good deals. So I'm hoping I can find many good deals, but I wish I could buy 2 more packs of these. And it'll last us for, what, 3 years? I don't want to ever have to buy toilet paper again. At least not for the next 3 years. So anyways, right now I'm going to plan, and I'm going to drink. I'm not drinking coffee right now. I'm drinking hot chocolate. As you can tell, the microwave is signaling me that my cup is warm. I'm not drinking coffee. I'm drinking hot chocolate, but I'm not using milk. I'm using oat milk, so a little bit vegan friendly there. So, and then I'm gonna plan a little bit. Well, I am gonna plan. I have to plan my day, so I know what I'm doing today. Alrighty, let's go.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Alrighty guys, as you can tell, I have so much I need to do today. I'm sure it's all dirty, but whatever. Anyways, I have so much I need to do today. So I'm just gonna get started with cleaning the house, just because that always makes my brain a little bit more better when there's less clutter around. So I'm gonna get started with washing the dishes, and then I'm gonna head over to the couch and start folding the clothes. And then I'm gonna sweep and mop and everything like that at the end. Once I'm done moving around, I could just sit and chill. So alrighty, let's get to washing the dishes. Show you guys the bags that I have to fold right now. It's insane. And right now I'm just watching some couponing girls. Yeah, I can hear you. Hey guys, so I just made it to Marshall's. I'm gonna see because I have to buy a charger, so I'm gonna see if I can find it there, and then just look around because I know they're having a clearance sale. So I'm gonna see what else I can find while I'm in there. I also want to buy some baskets that I need for under the sink in the kitchen. So I'll see if I find anything on sale. If not, then I'll just buy the chargers and call it a day, because I have a lot more other stuff I need to do. I need to still go pick up my check from work and pick up my Walgreens order, and then pick up Ian. Lots of pickups. And then I also need to pay off my phone. So, yeah, let's go inside. Alrighty, so I just got out of Marshall's and ended up being such a good find. I found so many good stuff on clearance. Majority of everything that I got was on clearance except for one thing, which I wanted for the rice. I wanted like a little canister because right now it's just inside a bag, and I wanted a little like container where I could put all the rice in, and I found it. It's super cute for $10 only, which is really inexpensive because the one that I found online was on Amazon for $20 and I found this one for $10. So great deals. I'll make a haul about everything that I got later. Now I gotta go to T-Mobile to pay off my phone. Hi guys, so it is a whole nother day. I was filming in my car and then my phone storage ran out, so I didn't really get the chance to explain to you guys what was happening. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. I just want to show you guys the stuff that I did get. Since it's already been a couple days, I already like put everything where it belongs, but I did want to show you guys the stuff that I did get. So we're gonna walk around the house and I'm gonna show you guys how I've styled it and what it was that I got. And then I think I still have the Marshalls. What's it called? The Marshalls receipt. So first things first is I got these little 3 things. You kind of saw a little bit of in my cart of what it was that I got. So, but I'm gonna show you guys. So I got this candle. This was $3 and it smells delicious, and I love like the top to this is just so pretty. And for $3, and it smells, honestly, I tried it yesterday and I didn't really get a scent out. So, I mean, I guess I'll just be here for aesthetic purposes. Oh no! Can I get it out? I mean, I got majority of it out. It's fine. But take a little too bright. Oh well. Oh, it's because of this little thing right here. Anyway, so I got this little marble thing. I'm guessing it comes with like a little smasher thing, but it didn't come with it and I really don't care for it. But I'm using it for like coins and stuff because we go to wash, and that was $4. And this thing is heavy, like heavy. Another thing that I got was this frame, which I was debating on whether or not I wanted to get, but in the end I ended up getting it because I just love the way it looks. I think it's just so luxurious. I left the tag on because I wanted to show you guys how much it was. It was $6, and now I'm going to take off the tag once I finish this video. But I thought it was really pretty. I want to put something like aesthetic in the frame. I don't want to leave like this. I was going to put a picture, but I've opted to like put something more aesthetically pleasing. But yeah, so I've set this on my little like console table thing. I need to clean it. It's a little bit dirty, but we tried painting this, and I guess the paint that we got was too cheap and it's starting to peel, which really sucks. So I want to get a new console table, so this is not going to be forever. But that's there. I also ended up getting this little jar thing. This was $10, and I love it so much. I wanted this for the rice. I had found something similar to it on Amazon, and it was coming out to $26 for something similar to this size. And one night there was like a lightning deal where it ended up being 20 bucks, and I was still debating of like whether or not I should buy it. And then I ended up falling asleep and I didn't get the deal, and I was kind of mad at myself. And when I went to Marshall's, I found this, and I thought, oh my god, this is so perfect. This is what I want. Ended up being even cheaper. It was only $10 for how big this thing is, and it's like hardcore glass. So that was a great steal. And then heading over to the bedroom, I found this little, I'm assuming it's like a toothbrush holder, but I'm using it for my brushes, and this was only $4, which is super, super cheap. And I think it's super cute. Alrighty, so this is the deal that I got at Walgreens. I could have sworn I got more like toys and stuff. But I got this Mr. Potato Head for work because my Mrs. Potato Head is broken. She lost an arm, so I got another one. This was only $2. I also got this little Barbie doll, $2. So that's a good find. And then I found these two. They was at 60% off at Walgreens, and the toys were 70% off. And these two I got them for $2 each. And then I also found this deal at Walgreens. They had a $7.99 coupon, and then one of these bottles is $8, so basically it was like buy one get one free, so I got these for $4. And then I used a Walgreens cash too, $10, so everything came out to like $5, which was a really good deal. And I also got paper towels with this deal. I just already put them away. That is all for today. I'm gonna get started on my day for today and ending this vlog for next week. So if you guys like this type of situation, please go ahead and click the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload. And follow me on all my social media at Geraldi Saba and at Babe Manager. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye! Mwah.